This is the Arpha Smart Lock, and I bought this at TEMU. So it's a TEMU purchase, model D601, and supposed to be Arpha was established in 2010. So this is not a new company. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box before I install it, just for you to see how it is. So it's a D601 model, and of course it has a video guide manual, and this is very important, the guide, so you don't have to keep measuring when you install it. And the packaging is really good. Like it's all the important parts are packed separately. So that's gonna be your front lock, and then here's the rest of the hardware. This one is the one that goes into your door. So I'm just going to show you because you need to inspect the parts anyway, and then I'll have a separate video for the installation. But that's the one that goes to the door, and you got everything in there. So that's separate packaging as well. And then the back part of the lock, which is gonna be going to your, of course, your door. So you got like that's the inside of it, and then you got the plate. That's where you are gonna go use the guide, and that's the plate where you install, like you attach it. So basically you have three separate packaging inside the box. And again, it's packaged really well for a Temu purchase. Uh, Manual, of course, and you can do a video manual if you like to look at like you're a visual person. But again, these are what's inside, and this is Temu purchase, and I will be doing a separate video for the installation. But so far, with the item feel and how it's packaged, I can give it like a 5 out of 5.